Yo, shout out to that toilet for being a tripod.
I survived. And I have a McChicken. Alright. What am I doing in California eating a McChicken? I'll tell you. I am in California to not only pick up the coolest part that I have been waiting on since literally November of last year. Let me give you a quick flashback for 5 seconds. But we just talked to our buddy Justin, and the wheels that I want are right down there. They're on the top row right there. They're absolutely insane, and they're not coming out yet. I think they're going to be out in the next 2 months or so, but oh my god. Tanner, do you approve of those wheels? Do you think they would work on the BRZ?
I can't wait to see him on a white car.
That was back at SEMA in 2021. ESR and I have been going back and forth on these wheels forever, and I drove all the way from Arizona to California today to pick them up and to reveal literally the nicest wheel I've ever freaking had. Now, what makes these wheels special? Number one, they're completely custom. These wheels are 100% Ben spec. These are built by ESR. They are 2-piece forged wheels, and I cannot wait to show them to you. They look so insane. I've had ESR wheels in the past. A lot of people shit on them, but guess what? These are forged wheels, so you can't really shit on these. I don't know what to expect at all. Like, I'm completely going into this blind, but they're literally right down the road, like 2 minutes down the road. So also later on, we're going to be meeting up with one of my friends, Steven, or otherwise, if you might know him from his YouTube channel, Spam Subi. He has some really cool cars, and he lives really close by, so we decided while I'm in town that I would stop by and we might make a video together. So I can't wait to introduce you to him. He's a super great guy. He makes really great content. And when we do the video together, I'm going to leave his stuff in the description below if you want to check out his channel. It's super interesting content. Like, no one else in the car scene does this type of content. You're definitely going to want to check it out. And then on top of meeting up with friends and picking up sick parts, we're driving down to San Diego either at the end of today, or if I can't make it and I need to get a hotel here, then we're going to drive down tomorrow, and we're going to be doing more stuff to the BRZ with another friend of mine who I will introduce you to in the next video. Also, we are rolling no silencer in California. I feel like I'm wearing a Boston shirt to a Yankees game. That was a very East Coast reference to me.
So we already brought them all out. Damn, these are so sick. Oh, they're light too. I can feel it. The main problem is getting them in here. I don't know if they'll all fit in here in the boxes. I don't know. I have a lot of room, but I'm not sure. Honestly, the only thing that sucks is that because I don't have the tires, literally before I came here, I was going to order tires to have the tires brought here and mounted them here, but the tires that I wanted went out of stock literally before I came to pick up the tires or the wheels. So now I don't have the tires. So the ESR guys were going to do like a shoot with it, but now I can't get the wheels on the car. So like that really sucks, but I can always give them photos and videos and stuff like that too, but I need to get a peek at these wheels. Oh shit, dude. Oh my god. Dude, these are so nasty. Oh dude, it's gonna be perfect. That's gonna look so good on the car. Holy crap. And I've never had a wheel with a polished lip. Wow, dude, these are so fire.
The polish always makes everything stand out, so.
Oh, dude.
Drove 5 hours for.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, exactly. Oh my god. Well, I'm happy. Those look exactly how I want them to.
Dude, that's gonna look so good. The black and the white and the same. That is insane. Holy shit. Okay, this is only a little bit sketch. We've got a wheel in a box, another wheel in a box, another wheel in a box, and another wheel in a box. I just think it's crazy that tomorrow at some point I'm gonna drive home another 5 hours like this. Okay, it's gonna be crazy.
I'm staying for right now. Honestly, not that bad. Here's our view here. There's a truck over there. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's honestly not that bad. Man, we got a lot of stuff from ESR. They threw in a really, really cool carbon fiber license plate frame. Very nice. That's my room key, not from ESR. A couple of these stickers. Bag life keychain, that's for shadowing. ESR keychain, ESR lanyard, ESR wheels decal, 2 more ESR wheel decals, and a shirt, which is super nice. Ooh, very nice quality. On the back there, super nice. Okay, that was purely a joke. I do not have an OnlyFans, ignore that. It was very nice of them to throw that in there. That's why I like ESR. They make great stuff. Their service is high quality. So yeah, this is our little spot for the day. Just went out and had a nice little lunch date with Spam. I got a bento box. This thing is fire. Any Asian food in California is gonna be top notch. Asian spots in Arizona, there are some good ones, but like a lot of the times there's like chain ones. So like the chain ones are like hit or miss most of the time, unless you're really hungry. Before we went and met up and did anything video wise, I had to stop here and just like relax for a second and get everything set up, because while I am here doing a bunch of fun stuff, my work is also something that I can take with me. So like all the media stuff, all the video stuff that I do not for YouTube, I do have to take all that with me and do it here. So I can't just like drop it and take a vacation, because there's stuff that needs to get done. What's nice about what I do is that I can live my life alongside both of them, of like both of these jobs. So like I have YouTube, which I do for fun and a little bit of money, and then I have Driven Media, which I haven't really explained to you guys that much yet. That is what keeps all my stuff afloat. That's basically how I live. So really quick, I gotta set up the new office for today and tonight. And while this boots up and everything, this is pretty much going to be how I'm going to do my work. Really glad I didn't get rid of the laptop. I thought about it for a second, and my roommate Ev was like, you might want to save it in case you go anywhere. So thank you for that, Evan. That was a clutch tip. But now that I just got a little bit settled and everything set in the room, I'm going to go meet up with Spam. We're going to go do some fun stuff. All right, I kind of want to get your reaction to this. I'm going to have you just open this box.
Okay.
I've seen it before, but you have not.
Cool.
And you don't know what to expect with this, right?
No, I don't even know.
No? All right,
Not
well,
yet.
go ahead. Open her up.
Ooh, damn.
It's an interesting wheel.
It kind of looks like a two-piece.
Yeah, it is a two-piece.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Yeah, it is a two-piece. Yeah, it's a two-piece forge.
It'll be pretty hard.
Yeah. You think they'll fit okay?
You said this is a 9, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
fine.
you shouldn't rub. You might have to shave that little underlip.
This is Spam Subi. If you don't know his channel already. You had a first gen BRZ red with the white. Was it TEs or Advanced?
I had, they were ground lights.
Oh, they were Gram lights? Okay. And then you had the M3 for a little while?
Yeah.
And with the white wheels too. And then he also has the Type R with the white TEs, which another dream wheel of mine. But you make really interesting content. Like nobody does what you do on YouTube with like car stuff.
I basically do anything car and like I guess videography related. So I teach people how to shoot cinematic videos.
Yeah, and you have
And
like
then I just have fun with cars too.
yeah, and you have a Patreon too and stuff like
Yeah,
that.
so the Patreon is like if you are a beginner and you want to learn how to, shoot cars, but you don't have access to cars, or you don't even have a camera, then you could just, have a Patreon and I just link all my footage, so you can just play with my footage, like real life, like all the stuff that I shoot, I just put it up online for you guys to just edit on your own.
Yeah, which is really cool because you actually have a lot of really good like camera equipment, so it's not just like your average stuff.
It gives people a chance to like edit like high quality stuff.
Yeah, like really high quality.
Yeah.
Like I said, I'm gonna link all of Spam's stuff below, and his name's not just Spam, it's Steven, right? Yeah. So, it's just like everyone's like, what's your actual name? No, but yeah, I'll link all this stuff below. So like a lot of people ask me all the time, like, how do I get into this stuff? Like, how do I start filming and editing by myself? Well, actually, that'd be a great way to start practicing.
Also, I answer all the questions you might have too, so you can message me and I'll answer everything.
Right. So any questions you might have on editing, how to start editing, all of that, or if you just want to play around with yourself, That sounded fucking weird. But if you wanted to play around with it by yourself, and you wanted to figure out like how to edit videos or just, you know, to mess around with like really nice footage, then Spam's got you covered. That's all of what he does there. I don't know, today we're just kind of like revealing the wheels and then messing around a little bit.
I wanted to try driving it.
Yeah.
I've only driven the GR86 for like 10 minutes. I'm debating on getting one too.
You've been looking a lot too.
I've been looking at just no luck. Not in SoCal.
It's tough to get. At least BRZs is tough to get. But first stop, yeah. And I'll just give a quick intro to your car. I mean, your car has literally a million things done to it. Varus, everything. Well, not Varus, everything, but like a lot of Varus stuff.
So we got ABS, front lip, and then we have the Battle Arrow chassis mounted splitter. It's actually...
Like you could stand on that.
You can literally stand on it if you wanted to. So it's super strong. Engine bay, it's pretty stock. I just have like intake. I have motor mounts too to keep it a little more sturdy. This I just got the TEs with the R888s.
Really fat tire. Super fat.
It's raised up in the front because like I literally can't. There's no way to run this setup without camber and then raising it a bit. I'll raise it back. I'll put it back down after I get like fender flares.
Yeah.
And then of course we got the Varus side skirts.
Very nice.
Varus diffuser as well, and then we got a bunch of exhaust, non-resonating.
I was just driving behind you a second ago and it looks really nasty. Like just driving down the road, like your stance and everything is perfect. Yeah, it's awesome. You also mentioned that they were staggered, but reverse staggered.
Yeah, reverse staggered. So I'm running 10.5, 18 by 10.5 up front, and then 18 9.5.
Yeah, so the fronts are 10.5 and the rears are 9.5.
The offset's it's insane. It's plus 20, plus 22, and then plus 20 in the rear.
Wow.
It's basically beam respect, and I just flipped them.
So now you know those wheel specs. Don't keep asking what the wheel specs are.
You're gonna have to be, if you want to run this, you're gonna have to be willing to cut your car too. So like everything's shaved underneath.
Yeah, and you have the Varus.
Oh yeah, that little piece.
The piece here. Yeah, super nice. Definitely like Type R in red is like super nice, and then throw in white wheels, and I don't understand why a lot of people aren't more of a fan of white wheels. I love white wheels.
All my future cars are gonna be the same.
Yeah, all the same color.
If I can find a red one, I'm getting a red BRZ.
And
I'm probably gonna do like white Advent.
White Advent. Oh, that'd be so nice.
I might trade this in for the GR Corolla.
Oh yeah, dude, that'd be really cool.
But yeah, I'm keeping this for a while. I don't plan on getting the GR Corolla anytime soon. Definitely BRZ is like next on the list. Probably as soon as it comes out in 2023. I'll get that model. Yeah. I heard there's no phone cubby either. Like where do you put your phone?
Oh no, there's no, dude. That is so annoying. I literally had that problem.
The old Gen had literally like 2 spaces to put it. Like you had one in front of the shifter, and then in the cup holders there's a slot. And then now I've heard like they got rid of it all.
I mean, if you open the center console, yeah, but like that's so annoying to have it open because it's supposed to be an armrest.
So where do you put your phone?
Here, wait, open her up. So I literally put my phone on the center console.
The original version or the first gen BRZ86 had like a slot right here.
Yeah.
It was a nice slot here, but I can understand it's like your shifter's here might get in the way.
Yeah.
And then the second spot you could potentially do it, they had cup holders with a phone slot in the cup holders. I mean, what if you have 2 drinks in here?
That's what I'm saying. It's impossible to use it. Like, I always just put my phone down on that.
For?
I think it's a coin holder. I'm not sure though.
Interesting. Oh, you got the STI start-stop.
Yeah, I did a bunch of STI stuff. Well, not a bunch, just the shift knob and the start-stop.
This is the base model.
Yep, base model. You could put it in the door.
But then the fucking the cable.
Yeah. Well, that because like the Apple CarPlay is not wireless, so like that's really annoying too.
That's annoying, bro. What the fuck?
Hopefully they change that in the next one, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, they're gonna change that in the next one, and I'll get it. And that too.
Or at least, yeah, these stupid fender things on the inside, which that's what I'm scared of once the wheels go on. But yeah, so we're gonna let Spam drive the car a little bit and just get like a feel for what he's gonna do, and I think he has something going on his channel with that. So if you want to check out his channel, again, I'm gonna link it and go from there. But other than that, the wheels have been revealed, and I literally can't wait to put them on. Unfortunately, like I said, I don't have the tires with me. They went out of stock as soon as I went to go pick these up, unfortunately, so we're gonna have to wait at least a week to get the tires on the wheels. But we do have the wheels now, which is a huge plus. And they do all fit in the car, so I'm not that worried about driving them home, and they're all nice and protected, and I get to drive them with the box. So we're gonna go do some stuff with the Type R and the BRZ, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. All Alright, so we just got finished driving this car, and if you want to see that video, go ahead over to Spam's channel. But he wants me to drive his Type R, so I'm definitely not going to pass that up because I've never driven a Type R before. Cali trip turned out to be super memorable. Not only did we get to pick up the wheels today and hang out with Spam or Steven, I don't know. I always call him Steven, like just one-on-one, like in my head or when I'm talking to him, but like we've known each other for a little while, and it was really nice to get to actually meet up and like hang for a little bit. And again, if you haven't, go and check out his stuff. His stuff is down in the bio if you're interested in any of that stuff I mentioned earlier. But not only did we get to pick up the wheels and make a couple of great new friends, but today, and I will touch on this in another video, today something really special happened that I have been working towards for a very long time. So that also happened today too. So definitely a memorable day. So I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for 10K. I'm gonna make a separate video like I said, but holy shit guys, 10K. I will see you guys in the next video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because we've got bigger goals than 10K. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next video. See you later.